Greetings, gentlemen. Welcome back to this channel where we break down the biggest movers and shakers in the crypto world. Today, we're diving into the Newton Crypto Project, a name that's been making serious waves in the blockchain space lately. If you don't know, you don't know. But if you haven't heard about it yet, let me catch you up real quick. It's named after the legendary scientist Isaac Newton. This project is all about bringing innovation and precision to DeFi. With its cutting-edge consensus mechanism and focus on ultra-low fees, it's already gaining attention as a game changer in the crypto space. But here's where things get really interesting. The project has seen a sudden meteoric rise in just a matter of weeks. What's driving this momentum? Well, some say it's the buzz around their unique staking rewards and groundbreaking partnerships. Others point to their highly engaged community, which is pushing Newton into the spotlight faster than anyone could have imagined. And let's not forget, the Newton token has been on a wild ride, doubling in value seemingly overnight. Is this just the beginning, or are we witnessing the birth of the next big thing in crypto? Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about Newton, its tech, its team, and whether it's worth your attention in 2025. Let's get into it. One last thing, make sure you hit the bell notification, subscribe, and also hit the like button. The project's technological framework is structured in three layers, distinct layers. Basic technology layer, which encompasses the blockchain technology, ensuring the system's security, scalability, and efficiency. The hyper exchange protocol layer serving as the intermediary layer. And lastly is the application layer. As you can see here, the Newton project operates under a decentralized autonomous organization, also known as DAO. This structure empowers all holders of the new token to participate in decision-making processes, ensuring that the community remains community-eccentric and without a central authority. Now that we've got the foundation, let me show you the actual home page. This is Newton right here. I'm going to link it in the description. There's the logo at the top of the page. Gentlemen, you can see use Newton, learn, the roadmap, EVT, community, and the ecosystem. All right, now let's go down at the bottom. You can see here NewPay, digital wallet, decentralized, that's the key. Get new earnings from the ecosystem, the new Explorer, and lastly, New Bridge. All right, now right here, remember the community is key with New. And I'm going to give you some receipts in regards to this. But look, users own their own data, better incentive mechanisms, and new organization and cooperation. And also there's the white paper if you really want to look at everything. Then right here, start building. It's talking about the three-layer technology framework that I spoke of a few minutes ago, remember? Then right here, staking on Newton. This is big. First of all, staking, that's one thing. And then becoming a validator, which is like staking with responsibilities and having a job, and it can be very, very lucrative. Now we can see that as of Tuesday, January the 28th, the price per token is just over 1 cent. It's down 4.2% over the last 24 hours. Its market cap is $478 million. I'm in the top left-hand corner, gentlemen. You can see its 24-hour trading volume, 14 million. The total supply, 98 billion Newton tokens. Again, 98 billion. The maximum supply, 98 billion. Okay, that's a lot of damn tokens. And you can see over the last week, it is up over 300%. Look at this. If you invested at the beginning of last week, you've already tripled your money, which is fucking beautiful. But it's going to get even more interesting. Wait, let me show you. I'm want you to pay full attention. Okay, let's go over the last 30 days. It is up over 9,000%. That is not a misprint. You're not on mushrooms. That's right. Newt up over 9,000%. This is why it is rocketed into the 213th spot out of over 10,000 altcoins. Okay. Now it's going to get even more interesting. Listen. This is where the lesson comes in. All time. Pay very close attention. Center of the screen, gentlemen. Look at this. Look at this chart. Have you ever seen a chart like this? Prior to a couple of months ago, if I showed you this chart, you would have thought this was complete total dog shit. Look, it came out in 2019. Look at that price. Now remember what we were talking about earlier as far as community? I mean, look at this. 2019. Nothing. I mean, absolutely nothing is going on. During our last bull run, nothing happened with this. Look, 2020, the pandemic, the bull run, 2020, into 2020, 2021, throughout, nothing. But then suddenly, look at this. December, less than 2 months ago, right before Christmas Eve. And from then on, it's been going up. Now, if this video has been of value to you and you've learned something that you can use to benefit you financially, show your appreciation and your support in a way that makes the most impact, and that of course is financial. And you can do so by contributing any amount of USDC or USDT coins to our address in the description of this video. What it does, it helps us to continue to be able to create life-changing content for you, because that's what we do here, gentlemen. This channel is about making money, saving money, and growing your money. Look into this library, over 200 videos. This is what you need to be binge watching. Until next time, get in there and make it happen.